we have to find the measure of angle ADC. We have given diagram angle ADC we have, and we have given point B. B is the interior point. So when B is the interior point of angle ADC, then the measure of angle ADC is equal to the sum of measures of angle ADB and BDC. So we can write that measure of angle ADC is equal measure of angle ADB plus measure of angle BDC. So this is equal. We have given that measure of angle ADB is 42 degrees, so we can substitute this. And we have measure of angle BDC is 57 degrees. So this is equal 99 degrees. This is my solution.